Welcome back, everybody, to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcello and Jen. Hey, I just we're going over some fun little uh, chat GPT hacks, plugins, whatever you want to call it. I've been having fun all day with this. Kind of doing a little mini series on it, on several of them. Go check out the videos from the past where I did a one that you could do upload some new music. You could play tic tac toe. You could play chess. All within against ChatGPT. I was trying to show you guys the fun side of and not the not so serious side of ChatGPT. Also, come check out our school. The link's down below. It's a free school to where we do a class every once a week and talk about the up and coming new features of ChatGPT, the new features of AI, everything to do with that realm. How to save you time. If I were to save you a little bit of time from your from anything at work, life, give you back some time, wouldn't you accept that? Wouldn't you be excited about that? That's the kind of excitement we want in our class, in our school. So come join us, smash that like button, click on the link, and come join us in our school app, our school community, where we show you how to get all this done. So let's jump right back in here and get this bad boy done. You ready? Let's go. Okay. So what we're doing today is we are going to have it's called ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, we're going to talk to it. So let me show you what it does. So you're going to go into your Chrome web store, right? And in here, you're going to type in talk. Oop, there it is. Boom. Talk to ChatGPT right here. Now, what you want to do is you want to add to Chrome. You're going to say add extension. It's going to pop up in here. What you want to make sure you do, it's right here already, but just make sure that it's in there. So you want to click on it so it pops and stays. Okay. Now that that's in there, okay, what we're going to do is you're going to go back to ChatGPT, okay, and then what we're going to do is go to ChatGPT4, okay. Now, we're using ChatGPT4, guys. It's the paid version. It's $20 a month. It's the best version out there. You want to use it. It goes deep. It dives deeper into AI, the platform of it, the brain of it, and it gives you a better, detailed, deeper explanation of what ChatGPT and AI can do. So, as you saw there, I hit refresh. It pulled up Talk to ChatGPT. And let's go ahead and chat. So let's hit start. Okay. All right, let's check it out. Oops. Here she goes.
No worries. How can I assist you today?
Tell me a joke.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts?
That's pretty funny.
I'm glad you liked it. If you're up for another joke or have any other questions, feel free to ask.
Sure, what is the square root of 75?
The square root of 75 is approximately 8.66.
Crazy awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
So tell me, in Las Vegas, what is the weather going to be like tomorrow?
The weather forecast for Las Vegas tomorrow predicts sunny conditions with a high near 55 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. By night, it's expected to be mostly clear with a low around 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds are anticipated to be north-northwest at 6 to 10 miles per hour in the afternoon, shifting to west-northwest around 5 miles per hour and becoming calm after midnight. This aligns with another source that suggests increasing clouds with a high near 61 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, followed by a partly cloudy evening with a low around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The following days will see sunny conditions with temperatures gradually increasing, reaching up to 66 degrees Fahrenheit by Friday. Please note that weather forecasts can change, so it's always a good idea to check closer to your planned activities for the most current information. Check out these search results: https://chat openai.com/backend API/bing/redirect.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
So what you want to do is you want to click on that mute button here. So obviously it doesn't, pick up everything. Now another cool version of this here is you can do it in different languages, right? So you can go here. Let's see. Look, here's all the cool stuff here. Check this out. I wonder here. Oh, I wonder how you can. Oh, that's where it pulls from, obviously. AI voice. Let's do Spanish. Where's Google Spanish or UK? Let's do UK. Let's see what happens. Here's 11 Labs. Oh, we can't use 11 Labs. I need to go get you 11 Labs. Okay, so let's use a UK male voice. Let's hit save. Good evening. How you doing, buddy?
I'm just a digital assistant. Sir, I don't have feelings or experiences. But I'm here and ready to assist you with any questions or tasks you have in mind.
So are you
How
telling
can
me
I help
you
you
don't have a
today?
heart? So are you telling me you don't have a heart?
That's correct. I don't have a heart or emotions. I'm designed to provide information, answer questions, and assist with tasks to the best of my ability based on the data and programming I have. How can I assist you today?
I would really love a cup of coffee with some biscuits. Can you make that happen?
While I'd love to help bring your request to life, I'm unable to make or deliver physical items like coffee and biscuits. However, I can suggest a simple way for you to enjoy this cozy combo. For the coffee, brew your favorite coffee. You could use a coffee maker, a French press, or even instant coffee, depending on what you have available. Aim for a rich, aromatic blend to pair nicely with biscuits. For the biscuits, you could bake some biscuits if you're up for it. Simple recipes usually involve flour, baking powder, sugar, butter, and milk. Or, you could enjoy store-bought biscuits that you have on hand. Pairing a freshly brewed cup of coffee with warm, buttery biscuits makes for a comforting snack or breakfast. If you're interested in a specific recipe for homemade biscuits or would like brewing tips for your coffee, I can provide more detailed instructions or tips.
So I just kind of want to show you guys some cool stuff, man. I mean, this is, mind blowing, dude. This is crazy, right? It's like having a conversation with somebody. So, and then you can change the voice in here through UK. You can go to Indonesia, Netherlands, stuff like that. But if you want to go deeper, you can go to 11 Labs. This is pretty cool, guys. So I kind of just wanted to go over this to show you guys that there's more. It's fun, right? I mean, it's a good time. I just want to show you that ChatGPT is nothing to be afraid of. Okay, you guys embrace it. Let's love it. So let's say thank you and good night. Thank you, dear Watson. You have a great night, my friend.
I'm glad I could assist you. Although I'm not actually Watson. I appreciate the sentiment. Have a great night as well. And if you ever have more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Take care.
All right, guys. And with that, I bid you guys a good night. And again, thank you for hanging out with me tonight. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys come follow me and my beautiful bride, Jen, in our school, where we dive deeper into this side of AI and ChatGPT. All right, guys, have a good night. Thanks for hanging out. Talk to you soon.